In this video, I will show you Temu affiliate program step by step Philippines. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. By the way, to see more reviews and information about Temu, you can go to WikiHow and then read how to join the Temu affiliate program. Here you will see the step-by-step procedure, but I'm going to show you how to go directly to their link. As you can see, sign up for the affiliate program. You just have to simply click this affiliate program right here, or Temu affiliate program. It will take you directly to their website. This is what it looks like. Join affiliate program now. So basically what you're going to do here is you need to create an account. To know more about Temu, scroll down here and you will see this high commissions, exclusive selling price, trusted brand. You will see here how much you can earn, or the ways and how to earn here on Temu. So to start, what you're going to do is click this join now. Make sure that you have your Google account or you have your email address, password. For me, the easiest way is to connect my Google account. So finish setting up your affiliate account. You need to finish setting up. Then once done, then you should have your Temu affiliate dashboard. So if you want to see that, then this is what it looks like after I have created an account. So once you have created an account here, what are the next steps? So get your affiliate link. After signing up, you will receive a unique tracking link that you can share on various platforms such as social media, blogs, or content sites. You can also promote the link, share the link through different channels, including coupon sites, newsletters, and product reviews. You can also earn commissions when people click your link and either make a purchase or download the Temu application. You will earn commissions. As simple as that. So basically, these are the ways and how to earn money and how to become a Temu affiliate. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.